Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In today's newspaper on Tuesday, Super Tuesday, March the 5th, 2024, already solved two puzzles. The 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle here. This one will be number 8133. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means that in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then, let me see. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Then double 1 here, no, there, no. Well, between two 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. And now, double 1 here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, this one is quick to solve in 2 minutes. Surprising, yes. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the fourth and last puzzle. Fourth and last puzzle is the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.